Hello, this is Eric Barrett with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 1530 McAllister. This is apartment number 1. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo on McAllister, which is very close to lots of shops and restaurants and transportation. I'm just going to walk right through to the living room. This is a really spacious apartment. You have a nice bay window with bench seating right in front, which is always fun to sit on and look out the window. Beautiful chandeliers. Now this is an open concept living room kitchen, because as you can see, as you look back, this does extend right into this really modern kitchen. Beautiful cabinetry, lots of cabinetry. Vertizoe 4-burner gas range, beautiful dishwasher, and then a Fisher Paykel refrigerator. Just really, really gorgeous. And you have the recessed lighting here, and all the open shelving, which really makes it beautiful. What's fun here is they converted the spice rack or the ironing board into a spice rack, which is really, really fun as well. All right, so just scan back forward. One of the things I forgot to mention, as you walk in, you are struck by this wonderful smell of the brand new refinished wood floors. It's really, really special. And here you have what can be used as a bedroom. This would be probably the primary bedroom. Has a nice bay window as well, and then it has this amazing closet. So take a look at all the closet space you have here, so you can hang clothes for days. All right, just really, really nice. If you like, organizing, this is definitely the apartment for you. So I'm just gonna back up, and then let's go explore some of the parts of the house. And that's the kitchen. And you have heaters throughout, which makes it really nice if you like to stay nice and warm and cozy. Here's the second bedroom. This could also be used as a great office. Another super large closet with custom shelving in here. As we're turning the corner, here's the bathroom right here. Again, has the modern vibe, contemporary vibe throughout. And this is nice. This is one of these half glass doors which pulls back. So you have a nice soak tub, and then also a shower with tile backsplash right there. Turning around, let's share with these oversized laundry. There's also laundry in the building. If that's of interest, let me know. I'm going to be finding out and make sure that's shared. There's also a backyard, which I'm checking to make sure that's shared as well. So if you like outdoor space and extra laundry, may have you covered. So just ask me as the agent is showing. This is an interesting space right here. So this goes out into the fire escape. And that goes down to the backyard and the laundry machines. But this has been historically used as an office. So, cabinet space, shelving, and then the desk was right here, which makes it super convenient, because a lot of times you won't use, since you have your own laundry, there's not a lot of need to use that back door. All right, so if you have any questions, this is right now November of 2023. So if you are in the market for a wonderful property, close to a lot of the locations that people want to go to, the whole NOPA business district is literally right around the corner. Come check this out. We'd love to share the property with you and have you live here. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.